I have seen many students making mistake while solving these type of problems because they use the derivative in this. Okay, I'll tell you. This time what is given? F prime is already known to us. We have to find the fx value with this given condition. What this means? First, let's talk about this. This means when the x value is 2, then the fx value or the y value is 1. Okay, f of 2 equals to 1. Now, f prime is known, fx is not known to us, and we have to find fx, means we have to go back, means we have to integrate. Do not differentiate these functions. If a student by mistake takes the derivative, then he is going to get the wrong answer. See, f prime is known, we have to integrate it. So f prime is known to us, let's integrate it, because f prime is what? F prime x, if I integrate it, that means I have to integrate this 3x squared minus 3, right? So what is that? Now we got the fx value. Integration of f prime gives f only. On the other side, we have to integrate this x squared term. 3 stays as it is. Increase 1 power of x, which gives you x to the power 3 divided by 3. Then minus of in 3. Integration of 3 will become 3x. So 3x, but you have to add a constant of integration also. Hence, we got the general solution. Fx is equals to 3 and 3 gets cancelled. You got x cubed minus 3x plus c. This is not the final answer. This is just a solution called general solution. Why this is general solution? Because there is a arbitrary constant c value. One unknown parameter is there. Because of this, it is a general solution. But here we have to find a particular solution because we are already given that f of 2 equals to 1. So plug in x equals to 2 and fx equals to 1. So use it. We got 1 equals 2 raised to the power 3 minus 3 times 2 plus c. Now solve this for the value of c and that's the answer. So we have 1 equals 8 minus 6 plus c. On simplifying it, we will get c equals to negative 1. So if c is negative 1, what is the particular solution? We needed particular solution which comes out as fx equals x cubed minus 3x. Now in place of this c, I have to write that particular value negative 1. So this is particular solution corresponding to this given condition. Some students feel difficulty in applying the concepts to the question. Sometimes they get stuck. So I am going to tell you how to apply those concepts in the questions. I'll make it very easy for you. So if you are in middle year program, IBDP, MAI, HL, SL, MAA, HL, SL, AP Calculus, ABBC or any engineering math course, feel free to connect with us. You can contact us using this WhatsApp number or you can call us using this. You can also scan this QR code with WhatsApp to get connected with us. You can join our courses with flexible timings and one-on-one or group sessions are available or custom exam preparation where either you can choose for the full year course or few classes for your exam preparation. So scan the code, book your free demo today.